Welcome to the ever-popular Bower Estate in Bridgwater. Today we are in Leyton Drive looking at this well-proportioned 3-bedroom semi-detached family home, complete with a south-facing garden and a garage. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So if you wish to view this lovely property or would like your home valued by the property centre, then please do get in touch.